Evidence from more than 1 billion patients treated. Are pain medications all the same? Some people assume all NSAIDs are the same. However, this is not so. What are the differences? The following criteria will help you define them. Speed of action. Pain doesn't wait. Drugs to treat it shouldn't either. NSAIDs have different absorption profiles. Among them stands diclofenac, which has been demonstrated to have a faster onset of action, 15 minutes. Efficacy. An NSAID, such as diclofenac, has an NNT value of 1.9 for acute pain. NNT means number of patients needed to treat. So what does the NNT value imply? An NNT of 1 is a perfect result, where all who receive a drug benefit from it without false positives. The lower the NNT value, while still greater than 1, the more effective the drug will be. Clinical evidence. Evidence-based data. The usefulness of NSAIDs has been studied hundreds of times for several years. Diclofenac has demonstrated superiority in the variety of available clinical evidence. Variety of presentations. The needs of each patient can be very different. Their diseases could come from various sources and require different forms of relief. There are various presentations of diclofenac to address every patient's need. Tablets for chronic pain, those for temporary relief, and rectal presentations designed to provide faster relief, and the presentations in drops and suspension specially designed for kids. Safety. NSAIDs act indistinctly on the enzyme COX-1, responsible for providing cytoprotection of the gastric mucosa, and COX-2, which is related to pain and inflammation. To solve this problem, some NSAIDs have been developed that selectively act on the enzyme COX-2, but it was found that they increased the likelihood of cardiovascular problems. Diclofenac has a balanced inhibition of COX-1, COX-1, and COX-2. However, given that diclofenac inhibits COX-1, COX-1, by 70%, it carries less cardiovascular risk compared to COX-2, COX-2 specific inhibitors. In conclusion, diclofenac has demonstrated its superiority in the variety of available clinical evidence against etarocoxib. Diclofenac is superior compared to ketoprofen, dexketoprofen, celecoxib, meloxicam, and paracetamol at the time of onset action. Finally, based on NNT results of Oxford, diclofenac is superior against naproxen, paracetamol, and meloxicam in effectiveness. Other research shows superior gastrointestinal safety. Speed, efficacy, evidence, variety, and safety. 5 criteria that provide you with the best tools to choose an NSAID properly.